In my previous video, I was showing how you could load an old program into NEXTZXOS, in other words, next mode load, and when it asked you to save some data, i.e. with Scrabble to save the current state of the board, you could put C: in front of the save name, and because you were in NEXTZXOS, that would be recognized as the SD card. So of course you could snapshot the whole thing to save your data. You could use the tap in and tap out facility, which would just divert the program's normal tape save to a tap. But I rather like the very direct idea of just simply saving direct to the SD card without using either of those features. So if you've got a program that allows you to put the save name in, that's okay. But what about a program that does that behind the scenes, as it were? I had chess Turk, and I converted it a long time ago to run on microdrive, because a chess game is obviously a game that takes a long time, and it's quite useful to be able to save the state of a game so you could go back to it. So here is the normal chess Turk, which I've just loaded into the Spectrum, but I have loaded it into NEXTZXOS mode. So it's sitting there now, but at the moment it's got options to load moves from tape or to load a board from tape when either of those two things have been saved. Now what I did was just simply write a patch that goes over the basic that controls those particular commands, and made it work with the SD card. So all I need to do is press break, and then I go into NEXTZXOS, or I'll just use the command line, NEXTZXOS, and type SD card to load my patch. And the first thing that you probably notice is that now all the save and load text says SD card. Now, just to show it works, I will load a previously saved board. So 1-4, and it obviously goes very quickly because it's coming off the SD card. And then I will continue that old game. I need to put in the levels. And there it is. That is the loaded game that I'd started to play.